Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel and welcome to another high-tech video tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how to calculate ROI or return on investment in Excel. ROI, a widely used metric, assesses the quality of an investment by comparing its initial and final values, resulting in a percentage change. While ROI may seem complex, but it's very easy to calculate and is essentially a percentage increase function with some fancy labels. Let's go ahead and make an ROI calculator in Excel. Okay, so here in this Excel sheet, as you can see that we have three columns: cost of investment, final values of the investment, and ROI. I have labeled the first column as cost of investment instead of initial value. So if there are any other extra cost involved in the investment like taxes or travel, you can add them in this column and the calculation will still work. Click the top cell in ROI. We are going to subtract the cost of the investment from the final value. Then divide that difference by the cost using this formula. Let me show you. So all you have to do is write is equal to parentheses final values minus initial price. Close the parentheses and divide it by the initial price and hit enter. Okay, so this is the value that we get, which is the correct ratio, but ROI make more sense in percentages. So select the cell again and then click the percentage button at the home tab. Now we can hover the mouse over the bottom right handle of the cell and drag it down. Remember to add any extra cost for the investment in the first column to get a more accurate ROI. Alright, so that was it for today's video. That's how you calculate ROI. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And let us know in the comment section below what other business calculations do you want to learn.